Today I'm going to be making a really simple chocolate ganache, and you only need 2 ingredients. I have chocolate chips and I also have heavy whipping cream. This is 35% cream, and I also have chocolate chips, and in this case here what I'm using Kirkland brand, which is from Costco. And I've heated this in the microwave. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and pour it right over the chocolate. And I'm just going to let that sit for a while. And we're just going to let that all come together. And I heated my cream in the microwave, so it was very hot. And if you find that your cream isn't fully melting the chocolate, then what you can do is take the whole mixture, just like this in the bowl, and put it in the microwave and just put it on for about 10 seconds at a time. You can use regular mode. Just make sure you watch it so that you don't have it overflow in your microwave. So I can feel that the chocolate is really starting to melt now. You can also use a whisk if you wish. And we'll just do this. And this is chocolate ganache in its simplest form. You can see how the magic is starting to happen. It's just starting to come together. Chocolate and cream. They were made for one another. Oh yes, they were. I wish you could smell this. It smells very, very good. And we'll just keep going at this. You can really start seeing it combining now. It's like magic. It's like the chocolate is just appearing out of nowhere. And right now, this is very, very liquidy. However, if you chilled this down, it would solidify quite nicely. Now, if you're going to pour this on a cake, what you want to do is you want to let this cool, because the more liquidy it is, the less is actually going to stay on the top of your cake or in the middle of the cake or wherever you're going to use it. So what you would want to do is let it chill down a little bit. So what you can do is just leave it on the counter, or what you can do to quicken the process is you can put it in the fridge to chill it down, and then just stir it every 10 minutes or so, and that will do the trick. Doesn't that look amazing? I wish you could smell this. This smells so good. Look at that. And when you're making ganache, you want to use 35% cream. You do not want to use 10%. This is the way to go. And look at that. And that is very, very simple and easy chocolate ganache. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.